Footage shows Russian drones striking Ukrainian T-72 tanks and BMP armored vehicles. While the vehicles were hit, they appear to have continued moving, highlighting that a single drone strike may not always be sufficient to fully neutralize heavily armored targets. Drone operators continue to target and disable enemy transport vehicles, taking advantage of exposed movements and limited situational awareness, illustrating how unmanned systems are used to disrupt mobility on the front line. Footage shows the destruction of an enemy ground-based robotic platform in the Konstantinovsky direction, highlighting the use of targeted operations against unmanned systems on the front line. Footage from the Konstantinivka direction shows FPV drone operators from the special-purpose Hunter Detachment of the 51st Guards Combined Arms Army conducting precision strikes against Ukrainian armored vehicles and a supply storage site. According to reports, kamikaze drones were used to disable armored equipment and destroy stored material, significantly impacting both protection and logistical support at the targeted positions. The episode highlights the growing effectiveness of FPV drones in disrupting frontline defenses and supply infrastructure. Drone crews from the Maxim Krivonos Battalion reportedly conducted precision strikes against multiple targets, including 2 pickup trucks in Gavrilovka and Novopavlovka, a Humvee armored vehicle in Matyashevo, and 3 Baba Yaga UAVs in the areas of Iskra, Moravka, and Chuiv. The footage highlights the continued use of unmanned systems to target vehicles and aerial assets on the front line. Footage from Russian sources shows fiber-optic drones destroying a camouflaged Ukrainian T-64 tank, illustrating the use of advanced unmanned systems to locate and engage concealed armored targets on the battlefield. Footage from Russian sources shows drone pilots from the swarm of Svarog team targeting and destroying a Ukrainian 2S-1 Gvozdika self-propelled gun that was positioned in cover among buildings, demonstrating the use of drones against fortified artillery positions. Footage from Russian sources shows a Garand drone striking a Ukrainian Caesar self-propelled gun, highlighting the use of unmanned systems for precision attacks on artillery positions. Footage shows strike drone operators from the Shaman unit of the 1455th Regiment targeting enemy positions near the settlement of Kamyshavaka, illustrating continued drone-supported operations against fortified locations in the area. Footage from Russian sources shows a strike targeting a site used for the preparation and launch of a Ukrainian kamikaze UAV near the village of Sutisky in Sumy Oblast, highlighting operations aimed at disrupting enemy drone activity at its source. Footage and reports indicate that AD-30 artillery crew from the Tula airborne units carried out a strike against a Ukrainian observation post located within a fortified position in the Sumy region. After the target was identified and coordinates were confirmed, the artillery crew delivered accurate fire, resulting in the destruction of the observation point. The operation highlights the continued use of traditional towed artillery systems in coordinated frontline actions, as well as the role of reconnaissance and rapid fire response in suppressing enemy surveillance and maintaining battlefield control. An inattentive enemy movement was detected by a vigilant drone operator, resulting in a swift and precise response that underscores the importance of situational awareness on the modern battlefield. A new compilation of footage attributed to the Rubicon unit documents a series of engagements carried out over a single operation. The sequence shows strikes against a range of targets, including pickup trucks, cargo trucks, civilian-style vehicles, patch antennas, hangars, shelters, and multiple temporary deployment sites. The footage also includes the reported targeting of a UAV control point, as well as the destruction of small reconnaissance drones, including a DJI Mavic and a heavy Baba Yaga-type UAV. Presented chronologically, the clips illustrate the systematic use of drones to disrupt mobility, communications, logistics, and temporary positions, offering a detailed look at how unmanned systems are employed to shape battlefield conditions over time. Reports indicate that Ivanova airborne units destroyed a Ukrainian observation post and a temporary deployment site on the right bank of the Dnipro River, highlighting continued airborne and drone-supported operations in the area. Footage shows air defense teams maintaining round-the-clock vigilance, monitoring the skies for unauthorized aerial objects, and responding to potential threats both day and night, highlighting the continuous nature of airspace security operations. Footage from the Zaporizhzhia region shows airborne drone units conducting strike operations against Ukrainian positions, highlighting continued drone activity and the active use of unmanned systems across the front line. Another sequence from the Kupiansk area captures ongoing combat activity involving drone units operating over the front line. The footage shows Ukrainian personnel moving under difficult conditions while being tracked from the air, reflecting the intensity of operations in this sector. The scenes highlight how drones are used to maintain constant pressure, monitor movement, and shape battlefield dynamics, underscoring the increasingly decisive role of unmanned systems in sustained engagements around Kupiansk. Footage from Operational Group West, specifically the 6th Army, shows activity in the Kupiansk area during the first day of the new year, capturing a dynamic operational environment on the front line. Slippery conditions around Kupiansk have created new challenges on the ground, and drone operators from the 6th Army of Operational Group West are taking advantage of the situation, continuing active operations in the area. The Rubicon unit is actively operating in the Krasny Lyman area. Footage and information suggest the destruction of various enemy assets, including an BMP-1, a quad bike, a ground robotic transport system, pickup trucks, a truck, a patch antenna, temporary deployment points, shelters, firing positions, and a Baba Yaga UAV, highlighting ongoing frontline activity in the region. Soldiers of the 16th Spetsnaz Brigade are reportedly active in the Krasny Lyman area. Recent footage shows the destruction of enemy vehicles and positions, highlighting ongoing frontline operations and tactical efforts in the region. Strike teams operating attack UAVs from the Ulyanovsk airborne units reportedly destroyed Ukrainian positions in the Zaporizhzhia region, demonstrating the continued use of drones for targeted operations on the front line. A drone operator directing the UAV toward a concealed Ukrainian soldier, illustrating the use of aerial surveillance and precision guidance in close-range operations. Footage shows an artillery self-propelled vehicle being struck during movement, resulting in multiple personnel losses and the disabling of the combat vehicle, illustrating the high risks faced during frontline mobility operations.